Meron na ba tayong history kaya nito, paunang impormasyon? Gaano nito katagal sa Pilipinas? At meron ba kayong na-recover din po na pera during the raid?
Wala kaming na-recover na pera. We resorted to opening the vault. We drilled a hole. This was covered by the body-worn camera of the agent.
Mhm.
Klaro ito, meron doon ibang perang nakasubre, iniwan. This was made in the presence of the barangay,
Mhm.
the homeowners, at
Mhm.
yung isang occupant.
Mhm. Opo.
Meron din na-recover doon na identity ng ibang, yun ang kinuha namin. As a matter of fact, iniwan doon yung isang Rolex watch.
Mhm.
It is very clear from the body-worn camera and the alternative recording device.
Oh, Director, ang na-recover din po ninyo Cadillac Escalade, Toyota Alphard, Toyota Grandia Elite, mga high-end po ito na mga auto, no? So well-funded sila, kumbaga, Director.
Yes, that's correct, no. Tinitingnan namin dito sinong financier, meron ba itong big boss. Yung Cadillac Escalade, bulletproof ito.
Mm.
Bulletproof. Doon na-recover yung isang bag na naglalaman ng baril. Meron dong ballistic briefcase.
Mhm.
If you will notice, itong ballistic briefcase ay mostly ginagamit ito ng heads of state. Ito yung nakikita natin na hinahagis kapag under serious threat ang isang head of state. Ito yung parang bag na collapsible na itatapon ito para matakpan yung BIP. So, meron itong BIP, meron ding mga best magazines, live ammo na na-recover dun sa
Mm.
tatlong sasakyan. Lahat ng sasakyan positive for firearms. At cover ito ng search warrant, Sir Ted.
Opo.
At yung sasakyan.
So kung ang kanila pong Cadillac Escalade na ginagamit ay bulletproof, and then they are equipped ng mga gamit to protect itong mga pasahero ng Cadillac na ito, lumalabas nga na parang sila ang parang sila ang bodyguard ng mga big boss, ganun.
Yes, that's a valid observation.
Mhm.
Tingin namin dito meron itong big boss na pinoprotektahan o kaya pag may nakuha sila, if they resort to other criminal activities, ay ipamumuka nila na kumpleto sila at well-equipped sila.
Opo. Guard Nikki.
Attorney, kayo rin po ba ay nakikipag-coordinate sa Chinese Embassy kaugnay nga nitong nangyari? Kasi also, parang nakakailan na to eh. Ano po ba usually ang kanilang tugon pag kinakausap nyo ang Chinese Embassy?
We already informed them. Through our International Operations Division. As a matter of policy and practice, the NBI, pag may nahuhuli na foreign national, ay ini-inform ang embassy ng foreign national. But again, it so happened when we conducted the operation, this was Monday ng around close to midnight until Tuesday ng umaga. Inabot ng alas 7 ng umaga, nakabalik sa office ang agents. And so we had difficulty coordinating on Tuesday considering it was a holiday. But yes, we already informed them. Wala pa silang tugon dito. In the past operations, we informed the embassy. And ito ay na-arrest na naman at na-inquest na namin.
Pero sir, sa past operations po, may tugon din po ba yung Chinese Embassy? Kasi yun nga po, parang paulit-ulit po. Hindi naman po sa pero puro Chinese po. Di po ba? Meron po ba tayong significant na figure sa loob ng significant din na time frame sa mga nahuhuli pong Chinese nationals?
Operations against foreign nationals or our locals, hindi naman ito targeted against a specific group of persons. No? If you remember, in the past, ang NBI nagkaroon din ng operations against the West African Drug Syndicate. Nagkataon lang na ito ay with the pull out of the POGO, may mga naiwan. And this could be it. Some of them may have resorted to scamming activities because the to them, the infrastructure or the system is still very much alive.
Opo.
They have rented places
Opo.
na live pa yung contract.
Opo. Doon po
At
sa
nandito
opo.
pa yung
Opo.
mga computers in some operations, yung scamming activities. At nandiyan pa yung mga tao na hindi naman nag-pull out because they are not, well, they are connected with the POGO. They are not the main POGO operators. They are here for other purpose. Kung may muscle group na pagsingil ng utang, hindi naman ito umalis. So they want to make use of this itong sistema na nandiyan pa, baka sakaling magkaroon pa ng pakinabang sa kanila.
Opo.
Again, this is not a targeted operation.
Opo. Sige.
Any foreign national or local na commit na will violate our laws, penal or otherwise,
Opo.
ito
Opo.
ay tutugunan ng law enforcement agencies.